Good afternoon. Welcome to Shiphol Airport, to TCR the Netherlands, where we have one of the first workshops in the TCR group. This building that I'd like to take you through has been here for almost 20 years. Safety first. Come on, we go. TCR the Netherlands manages well over 1,000 vehicles, out of which 750 are motorized. We do the repair and maintenance in our workshop, which is divided into different sections. Each section has its own supervisor, and they manage the equipment to make sure that it is available and safe for our customers. They know immediately what to do, where it is, and how to fix it. We are lifting a pallet transporter. We're moving it up to the second floor, where it will be lightly refurbished and repainted to move to the next station for TCR. We have more than 6,000 square meters of workshop floor. Here we are in the diesel department, where we manage diesel tractors. Of course, we do not want all the emissions to enter our workshop, so we pull the vehicles in with an electric vehicle, and we have an exhaust system, so when we have to start the engines, the exhaust pipes are connected to the exhaust of the vehicle, and none of the emissions enter into the workshop, because we want our people to stay safe and healthy for a long time. If you look up here, we see that there is an office there. That's the office of the supervisors. Each supervisor can look down into their unit and see what's happening, so they continuously are in contact with the work floor and see what's happening to the vehicles. They manage safety, and as you can see, safety first signs, use of personal protective equipment is signposted everywhere. But there's no need to say that to our people, because they know. This is our largest vehicle. It's AM500, which tows and pushes back aircraft, large aircraft, Boeing 747s, A380 if necessary, at the airport. It's very huge, very strong, very complicated, with everything that a mechanic likes to do inside this vehicle: mechanical work, hydraulic, electrical and software. On this side you see a little bit of our organization. We like to have a well-organized workshop where people don't have to look for parts or tools. So we have a system for that, it's called 5S. And you can see that everything has its specialized place. Everything will be put at that same place, so people don't have to look for their things. It's safe and it's efficient. What we have over there, and I'll walk you there, is our warehouse where we keep quite a huge number of parts. This is part of our warehouse. It's actually the first floor. We also have a second floor where we store parts. All the mechanics come here. They can collect their own goods, which they have to scan on their work order. Not only the parts, but also the hours that they work. So we can see exactly what they did, what they used, and how much time it took for them to complete their work. So what we have here is the hydraulic department, because here in the Netherlands we have sufficient size to have specialized guys who do nothing else than look at the quality of our parts, repair them, and make sure that, for example, oils are as clean as possible, so that expands the lifetime of engines. What they do here is test when they've repaired a hydraulic pump, test whether it is good and according to the quality that we expect. Here you see the smallest vehicle. It's an electrical tractor that runs in the baggage hall. It's the smallest vehicle we manage. You've seen that we moved the pallet transporter up to the second floor for a light refurbishment and repainting. This is the one that we moved up. On the other side, you see the one that we already have moved up and where we have done the light refurbishment and repainting. And it looks a lot better than the other one. Our customer is very satisfied what we do and how flexible we are to manage their equipment from one station to the next.